Good morning students. Today we are going to start next class Mammalia. The first of all, its general characteristics are body form. It is basically divided into head, neck and trunk, tail. Then is the appendages. There is a more important term. That term is pentadactyl limbs. Penta means 5. Okay. Means that we have 5 fingers on hand and 5 on foot, on each foot. So that's why there is a term written pentadactyl. So two pairs of pentadactyl limbs are there, two forelimbs are there and two hind limbs are there. And these limbs are used for running, jumping, climbing, burrowing, swimming or flying. Skin, basically it is covered by hair. Hair maintain the body temperature. They excrete the waste heat from the body, and so many number of glands are also present on the skin. These glands are these glands are also multicellular, and these glands are strophiferous glands for the excretion of sweat, sebaceous glands for the excretion of oil, luminous glands for the excretion of wax, especially in the ear, and at the last mammary glands for the excretion of milk. Okay, then endoskeleton in the form of bones are present. There is a skull which lies near the brain, that is present. It is a dicondylic. Dicondylic means two condyles are present. Means that our brain is divided into the left and right hand side, and the left side is covered by separate bones and right side is covered by separate bones. So that's why it is known as a dicondylic. Then complete digestive system is present. Okay, different kinds of sets are teeth are present. They are present in their sockets, so that's why known as a thecodont. And different types of teeth are incisor, canine, premolar and molar. This term is known as a heterodont. And then milk teeth or permanent teeth. We know first one grow the milk teeth, they fall down, and then formation of the permanent teeth takes place. And this term is known as a diphyodont. Respiratory system, basically lungs are present which are covered by the pleural cavity. This pleural cavity gives the protection to the lungs. This point is covered. Then circulatory system, all of you know, you have studied in the 10th class also. 4 chambered is a heart present for the transportation of oxygenated and deoxygenated gases or hormones, all that. Okay, double circulation is there. Then nervous system, proper brain is present, spinal nerve is there, cerebrum, cerebellum, these are also parts of brain, these are also present. Okay, corpus callosum, it connects the two halves of the cerebrum. All of these terms have you studied in the 10th class. Different kinds of sense organs are present, eyes, ears, skin, nose, all that. For the excretion, kidneys are present which excrete the waste in the form of urine. Reproductive system, different kinds of sexes are present. Male is a separate, female is a separate, and for the reproduction formation of the zygote takes place. Fertilization is internal. In case of male, reproductive organ is penis, and in case of female, reproductive organ is urethra. Okay, after fertilization, zygote forms and the development of the fetus takes place. So next point is temperature. They maintains the body temperature, so that's why these are also known as the homothermy. Because if we are feeling heat, then we will go under the fan, go under the AC to maintain the temperature, and our glands also excrete the excess heat in the form of sweat. On the other hand, if we are feeling too much cold, then the excretion of the sweat will be stopped, and we will take more hot things like almond, groundnut, more hot things which will increase the metabolism. Ultimately, metabolism increase the body temperature to prevent from the cold. Coelom, yes, body cavity is present. Okay. Like in case of mammal, coelom comprises 4 compartments: pericardial cavity for the heart, and pleural cavity for the lungs, abdominal cavity for the viscera. Viscera means soft organ which are present inside the our body. So students, basically these all of our basic characteristics about the mammals. Thank you.